Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I decided to make pap myself and I want to show you the process of making ogi. Making pap is one of the easiest thing. The only thing you need is corn and any other grain of your choice. In this video, I'll be using corn and soya milk plus ginger because I want it to have this pepperish taste. In this video, I use 1.5 pint of corn, half derica of soya bean and small ginger. The first step is to soak your corn inside water. Pour water inside your corn and leave it till the next day. This is what your corn should look like in the morning. Then I pour the water away and I'm about to wash it and pour in another water, as you can see in this video. So keep watching. So this is after like fourth wash and I'm having something like this. If you notice anyone that is not good, you can remove it, as you can see that I'm doing in the video earlier. So that is it. I'm going to pour the last water in there and leave it to tomorrow, then I'll change the water again. You need to soak your corn for 3 days, and every morning make sure you are changing the water. My own corn has spent 3 days inside the water and this is the 3rd day. So today we are going to be blending this corn. A night before, I had already poured my soya bean inside water for the soya bean to be ready to go with this corn. So the two of them, they are softer now. It is easier like that to blend. Some people usually use hot water to soften their corn, but I personally prefer this method, the traditional way. So this is how my soya bean is looking. It has softened. And you need to wash this thing very well because inside this soya bean we have a lot of sand and stones. So you need to be careful. Make sure you wash this thing properly, maybe like 3 times or 4 times, depending on how neat it has come out. See the kind of stone inside. So I'm pouring my soya bean, everything together onto the grinding machine. This is the best option for you if you are using it, because if you want to use blender, it might not give you that smooth paste. I am back home and this is how my ogi is looking, so I need to like pour water into it to make it more watery and easy to sieve. This is where the major work starts. If you are not patient, I don't think you can make corn, but it is fun for you to see what you are pouring inside your tummy. So this is the way my grandmother taught me how to sieve ogi. Get a cheesecloth or something that you know that can sieve this thing properly. Then start the process of extracting, and you must make sure that you extract this thing properly from the shaft for you to get the best result. I pour way too much of it inside this cheesecloth and it's making my arm hot. So I reduce it and do it bit by bit. That way it is easier for me to squeeze out. I'm done with the chaff in the water. The next thing is to take my chaff and rinse it in another clean water. The difference in this one. If you follow this process, this is what you are going to be having. You can see this chaff that is very clean. There is no pap in it anymore, so everything has been extracted. After extracting it, just leave your ogi till the next morning. By that time, the water will be up and your main ogi will be down, so just remove the water and that is it. I have two bowls. I have the bigger bowl and the small size bowl. So that is what I have of my pap. So the next morning I'll be removing the water. This water, people use it for a lot of things. So this is what my ugi is looking like. If you want your own ugi to be, if you don't want any water there, you can just pour it inside your cheesecloth, then put something that is hard on it, so that way all the water will be gone. And that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. I enjoy it, and make sure to subscribe and like my video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.